How to transfer your WhatsApp business chats to a new number on Android. This tutorial shows you how to move your chats directly without needing a backup option. First, open the WhatsApp Business app on your old phone and tap the three dots at the top right corner and go into Settings. After that, tap on Chats to open the chat settings. From there, tap on Transfer Chats instead of the regular backup option. At this point, tap the green Start button at the bottom to begin the transfer process. In the next step, your old phone will display a verification code on the screen. Take note of it, as you'll need it shortly. Following this, pick up your new device and open WhatsApp Business and register using the same phone number. Once done, when prompted, enter the verification code that was displayed on your old phone to link the two devices together. From here, go back to your old phone and tap Continue to move to the next step. At this stage, your old phone will now display a QR code on the screen. Finally, on your new device, use the camera or the in-app scanner to scan the QR code and the transfer will begin. All your chats will be moved over to the new device without needing a Google Drive backup at all. And that's it. If this guide helped you transfer your WhatsApp business chats to a new number on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.